students, we are discussing modern periodic table part second. In yesterday's lesson, we discussed modern periodic law and some points about modern periodic table. Yesterday, we will first repeat some points about yesterday's lecture. After that, we will move forward. मॉडर्न पीरियडिक लॉ के बारे में मैंने आपको कल बताया कि this law was put forward by Moseley in 1913. In this law, he stated that the properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic numbers. इसके बारे में मैंने बताया, it means that when elements are arranged in tabular form in order of increasing atomic numbers, the elements having similar properties will occur after fixed intervals or periods. तो इसके बाद हमने लॉन्ग फॉर्म ऑफ पीरियडिक टेबल के बारे में मैंने कल आपको बताया कि दिस टेबल वाज prepared by Neil Bohr. He prepared this table. This long form of periodic table was prepared by Neil Bohr. It is also based on the periodic law given by Moseley. It is also based on the periodic law given by Moseley in 1930. ठीक, ये पीरियडिक टेबल जो है इसके बारे में कल भी मैंने आपको बताया. It consists of 18 vertical columns and 7 horizontal rows. These vertical columns are called groups and horizontal rows are called periods. In groups, I told you yesterday that if we take a particular group, the elements contained in that particular group have all similar outermost electronic configuration, and these elements show similar properties. But these elements in a group, in a particular group, do not have consecutive atomic numbers. Point number 2, the elements present in group 1, 2, and 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18, 17 have their inner shells complete, but only outermost shells incomplete, and the elements present in these groups are called normal elements. Number 3 point, the elements present in group 3 to 12 do not have their outermost shell as well as next outermost shell, that is penultimate shell. The elements in these groups from 3 to 12, the elements, the outermost shell in these elements is incomplete, and the penultimate shell is also incomplete. So these elements are called transition elements. Normal elements, and transition elements. The elements contained in group 1, 2, and 13 to 17 are called normal elements, and the elements contained in groups 3 to 12 are called transition elements. The normal elements have outermost shell incomplete, but inner shell is completed. In transition elements, the outermost shell as well as next to outermost shell, that is penultimate shell, are incomplete. So they are called transition elements. इसके बाद the elements of group 18, elements of group 18. Group 18 is also called zero. The elements of group 18 are also called zero group elements. Zero group elements. And इनको हम एक और नाम से भी पुकारते हैं, इनको हम नोबल गैसेस भी कहते हैं और इनको हम inert gases भी कहते हैं. Noble gases are inert gases. These elements have, the elements of this group have no incomplete shell. All the elements, all the shells in these elements are complete. The elements of group 18 have no incomplete shell and hence they show little reactivity and are called noble gases or inert gases. Noble gases or inert gases. These the elements of these, the noble gases. They are the noble gases. The noble gas elements have all the shells complete. So they are not reactive. They are not reactive. So these are called noble gases. The elements with atomic numbers 57. Elements with atomic numbers 57 to 71 are called lanthanide series. Lanthanide, lanthanide series. The elements from 50 with atomic numbers from 57 to 71 are called lanthanide series because the first element is lanthanide. Because the first element of this series is lanthanide, so these elements are called lanthanide series. And the elements with atomic numbers, the elements with atomic numbers 89 to 103 are called actinide series. Actinide series. Because the first element of this series is actinide. So these elements are called actinide series. These are two series of elements having properties, having similar properties. These two series of elements have similar properties. The elements with atomic numbers 57 to 71 have similar properties, and the elements with atomic numbers 89 to 103 have also similar properties, and they have been placed in two rows at the bottom of the periodic table. These two series of elements have been put in the bottom of the periodic table. This is lanthanide series. This starts with lanthanide, and this from 89 to 103. This series of elements is called actinide series because their first element is actinide. These two series have been put in the bottom of the periodic table because so that the periodic table can fit on a single page. इसका खाली एक वजह है कि periodic table जो है ऐसा करने से ये एक ही पेज पर फिट हो सकता है या फिट होता है. इसके बाद हमें डिस्कस करना, it was about groups. Now periods. As you know, there are 7 periods in the long form of periodic table. These all these periods are numbered from 1 to 7. Period 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. These periods are numbered from 1 to 7. All the elements of the same period have different electronic configuration. Different electronic configuration. But have consecutive atomic numbers. But have consecutive or continue atomic numbers. The elements of the period, the elements which are contained in a period have different electronic configuration, but have consecutive atomic numbers. Because yum ekis periods mas yita te elements asan, and yus then electronic configuration cha asan, outermost electronic configuration, so it's different asan, magar yus then atomic numbers tum cha asan musassal. For example, first period contains two elements, hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen has atomic number 1 and helium has atomic number 2. इसके बाद अगर हम दूसरा पीरियड ले लीजिए, इसमें एलिमेंट्स है लिथियम, बेरिलियम, बोरान, कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, फ्लोरीन एंड नियॉन. This lithium has atomic number 3, beryllium atomic number 4, and boron has atomic number 5, carbon has atomic number 6, nitrogen has atomic number 7, and oxygen has atomic number 8. Fluorine has atomic number 9, and neon has atomic number 10. So we see the atomic numbers are consecutive. They are continuous in the period. इसके बाद the first period is called short period because it consists of only two elements. This first period consists only two elements. This period is called short period. Short period. First period is called short period because it consists of only two elements. The second and third period. First period. Second and third periods are called, this is called, first period is called shortest period. First period is called shortest period. Shortest period. And period second and third are called short periods. Short periods. And consist only 8 elements each. यानी एकस मंथ अथ मज खाली 8 एलिमेंट बेकिस पीरियडस मज 8 एलिमेंट. सो युस दुयम तो त्रेयम पीरियड एमन वना शॉर्ट पीरियड्स. तो युस फर्स्ट पीरियड अथ मज खाली 2 एलिमेंट अथ वना शॉर्टेस्ट पीरियड. इसके बाद फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ पीरियड. फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ period. These are called long periods. Long periods. Long periods. And consist of 18 elements each. And you see fourth period, fifth period, eman wana long periods. Because eman manch arda element. Ekis manch arda element, bekis manch. So agar is ganzrao 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. At much 18 elements. It can choose group number 5th, at 18 elements. So these two these two periods are called long periods. इसके बाद ग्रुप नंबर the group sixth group is called very long period. Sixth group is called very long period. Sixth group is very long period because it has 32 elements. Go first period, it has 2 elements and is called shortest period. Second and third group consists of 8 elements each. 8 elements. So these are called short periods. And group fourth and fifth, they consist of 18 elements each. 18 elements each. So these are called long periods. And group sixth is known as very long period. It consists of 32 elements. The rest of the elements, the seventh group contains the rest of the elements. Seventh group contains rest of the elements. But yum baki elements at huran या रोजान baki तुम सारी यवा seventh element seventh groups man and is incomplete. This group is incomplete. Dear students, in this way we discussed this long form of periodic table, or we can say modern periodic table. These are some important points which you should remember. इसके बाद इसके मुतालिक और भी बहुत सी बातें हैं, लेकिन वो हमें यहाँ डिस्कस नहीं करनी है. इनको आगे दूसरी जमातों में वो उसके मुतालिक जानकारी हासिल करेंगे इंशाअल्लाह. The rest is okay.